just disregard my hair situation. It's so puffy, but it's okay. Also, look at my highlighter. Yes. Anyway, hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing something a tiny bit different. Tiny because it's a mini lookbook and that's why it's different. That's not really a pun, but puns. This is just a super short and simple and cute lookbook for spring breaks. And if you can't tell, I'm kind of sick, so I kind of sound like a dying animal of some sort, which is a bit tragic. I was just, you know, vacationing, having a good time, and I may or may not have forgotten to take a lot of footage. But the fact that this is a mini lookbook was completely intentional, so I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. That would be amazing, and leave a like down below, and yeah, enjoy the video.
So my first outfit for you guys is this casual everyday kind of outfit, and it's just these simple denim shorts and a white crop top. Both are from Forever 21, and then some super basic white sneakers. This outfit is a little bit more if you're going out but still want to be comfy. It's just this super cute black skater skirt, this blue top, and the same white sneakers. This is a beach cover-up outfit. I just have this long sleeve crop top from Forever 21 and some cute pattern shorts, which is also from Forever 21. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next week. Bye!